Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you think about, how to make money online. In this video, we'll be sharing some proven strategies and valuable tips that you can start implementing right away to earn an income from the comfort of your own home. So, if you're ready to explore the world of online earnings, make sure to stick around until the end. Let's get started. Section 1, Freelancing and Remote Work. Introduce freelancing *. One of the most popular ways to make money online is through freelancing. Freelancers offer their skills and services to clients on a project basis. Highlight skills *. Whether you're a writer, designer, programmer, marketer, or have any other skill, there's likely a demand for your expertise online. Platforms *. Explore platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr to find potential clients and projects. Tips *. Create a compelling profile, showcase your best work, set reasonable rates, and maintain clear communication with clients. Section 2, Content Creation and Monetization. Choose your niche *. Whether it's vlogging, gaming, beauty, education, or any other passion, pick a niche that you're knowledgeable and enthusiastic about. Create high-quality content *. Invest in good equipment and editing tools to produce content that stands out. Build an audience *. Consistency is key. Upload regularly and engage with your viewers through comments and social media. Monetization options *. Explore AdSense, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and merchandise to start earning from your content. Section 3, Online Courses and eBooks. Identify your expertise *. What are you knowledgeable about? It could be anything from cooking to coding. Content creation *. Develop comprehensive online courses or write ebooks that cater to a specific audience's needs. Platforms *. Use platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or even self-publish on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Promotion *. Market your courses through social media, your blog, or YouTube channel. Section 4, E-commerce and Dropshipping. Select your niche *. Research and find a niche with demand. It could be fashion, gadgets, home decor, etc. Create an online store *. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce make it easy to set up an e-commerce store. Marketing *. Utilize social media ads, influencer partnerships, and content marketing to attract customers. Section 5, Stock Photography and Videos. Quality matters *. If you're into photography or videography, you can sell your content on stock platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Consistency *. Build a portfolio of high-quality images or videos to attract potential buyers. Legal aspects * ensure you have the right licenses for any recognizable people or private property in your content. Conclusion *. And there you have it, a variety of ways to make money online. Remember, success in the online world takes time and dedication. Choose a strategy that aligns with your skills and interests, and don't be afraid to combine different approaches. Whether you're freelancing, creating content, teaching courses, running an online store, or selling stock media, the online landscape offers endless opportunities for those willing to put in the effort. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more valuable content.